Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by eliminating power and port issues. Plug the adapter into a rear USB 3.0 port or a powered USB hub. This prevents voltage drops that cause disconnects. Once done, open Device Manager and turn off USB Selective Suspend and the adapter's power-saving options so Windows won't sleep the device. Also unplug nearby USB peripherals. They can share power or bandwidth. If the adapter still drops, move it to a different port immediately to isolate whether the port or adapter is the problem. Next, address software and radio settings. Update the adapter driver from the manufacturer. If a new driver caused drops, roll back to the prior version. Then open the adapter advanced properties. Force a preferred band 2, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for stability. Adjust channel width to 20 or 40 MHz and try disabling 802. 11N if older APs misbehave. Additionally, lower roaming aggressiveness so the adapter stops flipping APs frequently. After each change, reconnect and observe for several minutes to gauge improvement. Finish by validating stability under realistic load. Run a long ping and file transfer while monitoring drops. If unstable, test the adapter on another computer or boot a Linux Live USB to determine if your OS or drivers are at fault. Make router tweaks, update firmware, set less congested Wi-Fi channels, or assign a static IP/longer DHCP lease to avoid renewals. If problems persist, enable driver logs for diagnostics and consider replacing the adapter or using a short USB extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.